A look inside Serena Williams' first week as a mother. According to E! News, Serena Williams' first week as a mother has been spectacular. Serena and her fiancé, Alexis Ohanian, announced that the tennis pro gave birth to their first baby girl last Friday. A source claimed, "Serena is doing great, fantastic even. She and Alexis are beyond excited for the birth of their first baby. Not only is their child beautiful but it's healthy too. Serena is happy like we've never seen before." The insider went on, "Alexis is great as well. I couldn't have picked a better man for her. Not only is he supportive, but he's so compassionate and understanding of her career as well as her needs. He's busy a lot, but he's there for his fiancée when she needs him." Alexis, who is one of the co-founders of Reddit, and Serena have been engaged since December of 2016, but they've been pretty successful at keeping their relationship under wraps. However, Serena announced that she was pregnant by mistake on Snapchat back in April, but it wasn't a big deal to the tennis pro, as most people were very supportive. In fact, many people reached out to give the couple anything they needed. Alexis and his soon-to-be wife have been getting help from several family members since the birth of the baby. Our insider claimed, only a few close friends have seen the child in person. They're managing to keep things real private, which is smart. They don't want to expose their child to any unnecessary media exposure. As for Venus, Serena's sister, last Friday, she explained that she was incredibly excited for the birth of her sister's baby. Venus claimed, "Words can't even describe how happy she is." Venus, as well as several of her celebrity friends, even sent her sister flowers to the hospital. However, we don't know the identity of the stars, although some speculate it could be Beyoncé, Eva Longoria, Ciara, or Kelly Rowland, as she is good friends with all of those women.